We are live. Hello, hello, hello. We are recording. Okay.
Oh
Let's
god.
go, gang.
What's up, guys? We're trying to
What
learn
the
Agama right now.
fuck did Gusti just say?
He said, "What's
What
up,
do you say?
gang?"
What do you say?
What's up,
Let's
gang?
go, gang. Let's go.
Oke tuh.
What's up, brothers?
What's up, brothers?
Let's go, fam. Let's go,
Let's
pal.
go, dude.
Who the fuck's hair is that, bro? I don't think that's your hair. Is it?
You want it to be your hair?
Damn, bro, you.
What the fuck?
Oh, God.
Damn, bro.
Yo.
Bawa demon juga ini.
You balding, bro.
Bawa demon juga ini. Y'all heard that laugh, like? Y'all heard that
This is
laugh.
what happens when
Yeah, I heard that
one
shit,
pack
bro.
of bloody
Hello, I'm
sharks,
back.
Y'all
bro.
heard that laugh, man.
Hello. What's going
Who was
on?
laughing, bro?
I'm back. Hello.
Bro,
Who's
that
laughing, bro?
laugh was. Bro, that shit was demon. That shit was a demon, dog.
Fast and confess to be a demon.
She
Can't tell me that shit not
she
demon.
professed and confessed to be a demon.
You know, maybe it's time to
Oh,
play Killer Frequency.
What?
What?
Oh, that game. That radio.
You're right. You're right.
Hey,
You want
Yeah.
you want to play that now?
Right now? No, okay, wait, no, no.
Yes.
I'll
I
set
know,
a
bro.
time. No, I'll set a timer. We're gonna finish studying until 9, and then we can take a 40-minute break. Okay?
You take a 40-minute break.
Yeah.
40-minute bake.
By playing
Baking for 40 minutes.
Killer Frequency.
Shit.
Nande,
Type shit.
nande.
Mau continue hot wiring the car, bro. How do you flip that shit, bro? Ha 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 ha.
Sangat rahasia. What is it, sangat rahasia, bro?
Fucking nigger.
Was that a fucking car starting up, bro? What the fuck was that?
It sounded like it was. It sounded like it was. As they say.
Kayak Yamaha. Agak.
Well, that shit a Mio, dude.
Mio.
Agak.
Ya.
Coba nyalain kamera, Gus.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Nyalain kamera,
Guys,
Gus.
let's make a great shift to the PKN part of the world, okay?
My world.
Hold on.
Toad.
Open that shit up. Okay, hold on.
Mau speed, bro.
My camera is on.
Yo, is your camera on? Is that just you, bro? I can't tell.
No, wrong one. Shit.
That's just Gusti's face, bro. Oh, bro, I can see his outline, bro.
What's going on?
I saw this nigga smile, bro. I saw this nigga's teeth, bro. Yo, who's smiling, bro?
You smile, you
Where's
see?
Marvin? Where's Marvin, that?
The one who shall not be spoken.
Shut the fuck up.
I find this shit. I'm turning back. I'm turning the light back up.
Period.
Back door.
Asal
Back
wawasan
door.
Nusantara.
Back
Now, let me
door.
look at the book. Guys, open nyo. Tolong semuanya membuka buku PKN sekarang.
Yeah, I am.
You
Yes,
are?
sir.
Does everybody have it open?
Yes, my star.
Okay. First, let's talk about Asas
What
Wawasan
page, what page?
Nusantara. No, Asas Wawasan Nusantara, I had this page. I had it on.
Mana nih ini? Mana dia? Mana nigger?
Okay, guys, buka
Paling
buka
inggil.
halaman 109.
Damn, we're actually learning now.
Oke. Apakah semuanya udah buka?
What the fuck was that? Yeah, I have it open.
Oke, seperti kalian bisa lihat ada 6 asas wawasan Nusantara. Secara
Yeah.
singkat kita mulai dari awal aja. Asas kepentingan yang sama,
Kepentingan yang sama,
asas
keadilan, kejujuran,
asas solidaritas. Dan
solidaritas.
yang I think what's gonna come up is asas kerjasama because that's what came up in the latihan soal.
You're right,
What page? What page?
Y'all had left hand song?
109. No,
Did we have
in this one, in the book.
Ditulis dua latihan song.
In the book, in the
What
book.
page? 109?
Yeah, 109. On the bottom, on the bottom.
Lebaran.
Atsuki
Asas.
Fujimoto.
Kejujuran, solidaritas is always helping each other. Kerjasama
Can you show it?
is
Damn.
working together, even though you're like, even if you're like on different groups, you're still working together for
Damn.
one. You know.
You shut up, Aska. The fuck?
Yes, Abaska.
One more.
What are you saying? Okay, asas kesetiaan berarti kesepakatan untuk saling menunjung tinggi. Okay, so kesetiaan
Alright.
is motivation.
What is Aska on about?
Okay.
Jangan
Aska
apa-apa.
suka sama itu ya.
Okay, let's talk about Panchagatra and Trigatra because this is not in the book.
Oh yeah, that one.
What page is that?
It's not in the book. It's not in the book.
Oh, not in book.
Well,
My bad.
If
My bad, gang.
If I just watch my stream right now, okay? Hold on.
My bad, gang.
Panchagatra, there's 5. Panchagatra, there's 5. And how I remember it is the IPPES method, IPES. Okay. IPPES.
DIP.
So ideologi, politik, pertahanan keamanan, ekonomi dan sosial budaya. Remember that IPPES. No,
Is that the right book, bro?
it's not a book, but it's a website.
No, I'm looking at Tresha, bro.
PS. Tadi ideologi.
Ideologi, politik,
Do you wanna see Angga?
pertahanan,
Is this thing mentioned
ekonomi, sosial
by
budaya.
by
Yo, shut the fuck up. What tadi? What?
I think this was mentioned, but only Trigatra was mentioned. There's IPPES, so ideologi, politik, pertahanan, ekonomi, and sosial budaya.
IPPES.
Remember that IPPES, ideologi, politik, pertahanan, ekonomi, sosial budaya.
Ideologi, politik, pertahanan, ekonomi. Ideologi. Ya, ada ideologi, politik, pertahanan,
Kanan.
ekonomi.
What?
So,
Ideologi, politik, pertahanan.
Ekonomi, sosial budaya.
oke.
Ya, 5 aspek sosial itu ideologi, politik, ekonomi, sosial budaya, dan aspek pertahanan. For Trigatra, it's kualitas penduduk, kualitas alam, and lokasi. Let me find the website for that. Trigatra. Trigatra itu posisi dan lokasi, kekayaan alam, dan kemampuan penduduk.
What is it?
Just think of the physical, no like social aspects, but the physical. So the
Trigatra.
location of the place, how good the land is, like kekayaan alam, and kemampuan penduduk. I had a website for it earlier.
Itu kan kualitas penduduk, kualitas apa namanya?
No, here it is. I have it here.
the land, the people, and the infrastructure.
Geography.
The land, the people,
Geography.
and the location.
Let's just stick together. Gravity falls, bro.
Penduduk.
Oh yeah. Okay, I understand.
Kualitas apa? Kualitas tanah. What? Kualitas.
Where it's located, what, like how good the soil is, or something along those lines, and the people that lives in it.
There's 3 pages for this. See, geografi or lokasi, keadaan dan kemampuan penduduk, and sumber kekayaan alam.
Yeah, that's it.
That's for the Trigatra. Well, while Panchagatra, remember, is the 5 social ones, IPPES. And I'm sure you all understand what ideologi, politik, and you do maybe pertahanan keamanan. It's just if you guys should know, pertahanan keamanan, there's 3 in Indonesia. So for utama is TNI and Polri, and kedua is rakyat. Yeah, you guys gotta remember that. It's gonna be in the PG.
IPP.
ES. And Trigatra, remember, geografis, kekayaan alam, and penduduknya.
Penduduk. Itu emang harus like
What?
itu
thing is with Papang's fucking kisi-kisi, he barely show. Whose keyboard is that so fucking loud, bro?
My fault, bro.
Someone's
Okay.
fucking masturbating.
Okay, he barely gives us anything, bro. For this. All right, moving on to the next part. Everybody open up page.
What page?
What page? What page?
Page 112. Did everybody open it up? Open
Yep.
that shit up.
You did teach.
All right, you already taught us this. I remember this. Just you have to remember, ancaman comes from the outside, and if it's from the inside, like a conflict from inside Indonesia, it's called hambatan. Ancaman is from outside, hambatan is from the inside.
Okay. Oh, this shit. Oh, fuck this shit.
No. This is easy. This is easy. This is really easy actually.
No, like no. The way Pak Robi explained it is like fuck this shit.
Okay, let's see this. Let's start with ancaman militer, ancaman terhadap NKRI. So this is from luar negeri. Agresi, you guys can tell what that is. Invasi, bombardment, blockade. Basically anything bad, like like war
Terrorism.
and shit. Yeah.
Fine.
Racism is hambatan, so it's like from inside. Ancaman non militer.
Wait, kayak gue kayak pernah dibuat itu nggak sih, dikasih listnya gitu kalau nggak salah.
It's in the book.
Gus, ya nggak sih, pernah ditulis kan?
Iya, kita pernah diminta tulis.
Gue lupa dah. Apa tadi? Kalau misal tadi hambatan luar,
No, hambatan means it's from the inside. Hambatan is like problems inside Indonesia, and ancaman comes from outside. Just remember that. It's just so you don't get it mixed up.
Yeah, we did like write a lot of shit about this four thingies
Honestly,
because of Bobby.
this is all you need, really. Honestly, bro.
wait. Kalau misal hambatan dari dari dalam negeri, hambatan apa aja? Rasisme. Terus?
Look, it's right there. It's on the right. On the right itu ada di tantangan NKRI.
Wait, I don't have the book.
You don't have the book, bro?
Gua nggak bawa bukunya, anjir.
The buku paket.
Ya, I'm
Do you
at
not-
Tangerang right now.
Do you not have it, bro?
Oh. So
Do you not have the
Bacain
buku
dong,
paket?
bacain. Biar
No.
gua belajar malam ini.
I'll send it to you, bro. Hold on.
Alright, thank you.
get photos.
No, I'm sending it on gatekeeping.
Yo, nigga, can we do this every fucking day? I wanna get smarter, bro. I don't wanna get dumb.
Yeah, we can do this, and we can collab with your class. Your class right now is learning in SAP, but I feel like if a study group is over like 5 people, it's gonna get messy.
Kacau anjing.
Like look at now, bro.
No,
It's
I mean-
fucking Resha and Angus be tweaking now, bro. And they just 5 of us, bro.
It depends.
It's fine. But I need Gucci to teach me Pario's math because I haven't done Pario's math in months.
Oh
Bro.
yeah, nigga, can you teach
Tomorrow.
me math, bro?
Yeah,
Sebelum hari
tomorrow.
Kamis.
But no, we have it tomorrow, bro. Besoknya lagi.
Ya, hari Selasa.
Thank you, okay. Oke, bisa apa lanjut aja. Gua
Yeah,
pengen nulis dia.
Okay, so wait, I already sent it, right?
Ya.
Okay, so on the left is the ancaman militer, agresi, invasi, bombardment. Honestly, I don't think we need to memorize all of it. We just need to understand what each term means. Spionase
kayak,
means spying, sabotaging, aksi terorisme, gerakan separatisme.
Paling
It's
ini
really simple
kayak-
actually.
Kalau misalnya ditanya kayak ancaman luar, ancaman itu paling kayak logika aja nggak sih, kayak let's
Yeah,
say terrorism
aggression,
ya, yang
invasion,
gitu.
blockade.
Yeah, that should be enough.
Ancaman non militer, bidang ideologi, politik, ekonomi. Like politik is like
That should be
corruption. Bidang ekonomi, Indonesia rupiah becomes weaker. Sosial budaya, dari bisa kemiskinan, kebodohan, teknologi, keselamatan umum, ideologi. Okay, it's not a lot of stuff. Okay, let's move on to the right stage. Tantangan yang dihadapi NKRI. Tantangan internal, there's only 4 that's in this book. Keanekaragaman bangsa, obviously because Indonesia is very diverse, we might have some problems. Kesenjangan sosial or economy. I forgot what year was it, but remember, y'all know that one time there was like a crazy like Indonesia rupiah drop, bro. Forgot what year it was.
2000.
Manap. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know.
It might ask us for like a tonto, so just remember that.
Let me see.
Maybe that's the early 2000s one.
Yeah, I know. Separatisme. It's like Papua. Remember Gusti.
Same.
Just remember Gusti. It's Papua, bro. separatisme.
Radikalisme gimana radikalisme?
Radicalism.
I'll go along with it. I'll
yeah,
go along with it.
Radicalism. It's like gangs. You could say gangs are radicalism.
Tokyo Mandi Gang.
Yeah.
Nyentot.
Hah? Oh, cuman sih kan.
Atau
Radikalisme
pahala.
aksi kekerasan melalui
Kalau
perombakan
misalnya
secara besar-besaran.
kesenjangan sosial tuh udah termasuk rasisme nggak sih?
Kesenjangan sosial
Kesenangan sosial, that's tantangan.
Ini beda
That's-
ya?
It's not ancaman.
Oh,
Eh,
maksudnya
no.
kalau ini, oh, ini
Eh, no,
lebih
not-
bahas.
I think kesenjangan sosial and racism, that shit two different thing nigga.
Calm down, bro.
Kan maksudnya
Sebenarnya
kayak
mesti
orang-orang
normalisasi
di
the word nigga,
kan
bro.
orang-orang kan bakal senjang gitu. That's what I thought.
Oke. Tantangan dalam dan luar negeri, it's already here. We just read this. That's number 10. Ancaman militer and non-militer. Globalis untuk tantangan dari luar negeri, so tantangan eksternal. We got
External.
globalisasi, intervensi asing dan jadi. I don't think it's gonna come up actually. But just if you just wanna just keep in mind globalization and intervensi asing. Globalization actually comes up in the Sawal mentioned. In page 128. Everybody go to page 128.
128.
128. Let me
Okay,
take a
someone,
picture for
take
us.
a
I'll take a
picture.
picture for us. No wait, actually, Aska already has it. bro.
128.
You already have it, bro.
I'm on 128.
This one, hold on.
Oh, it's this the one we took photo.
Yeah,
We
Aska sent us this earlier, but let's have a discussion about it. Let's have a civil discussion about it. Okay, number 1, negara Indonesia ialah negara kesatuan yang berbentuk republik. That's pasal 1 ayat 1. Number 2, negara Indonesia sangat menjunjung tinggi persatuan di tengah banyak perbedaan. Manfaat menjaga persatuan bagi negara adalah memudahkan dalam mencapai tujuan negara. Number 3, konsep wawasan Nusantara bagi bangsa Indonesia pada hakikatnya merupakan Angga, what is wawasan Nusantara?
Wawasan
Wawasan Nusantara. What is wawasan Nusantara?
Shit.
What is it, Angga? Explain it to us. Explain it in word under terms.
Explain in word
Oh,
under terms.
okay.
What is wawasan Nusantara?
Let me find it.
Okay, you need to know this for this. Wawasan Nusantara, if I'm just gonna explain it very simply,
Cara pandang bangsa Indonesia terhadap diri dan lingkungannya.
Sure.
Is that it?
it's how we view
That will work.
ourselves, and
How we do ourselves.
no, how we view
How we view ourselves. How does
It's how
That's on me, gang. That's on
we
me.
view
That's on me.
ourselves. For number 3, I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think the answer is pedoman bagi Indonesia untuk mewujudkan tujuan nasional. Because I like to think of wawasan Nusantara as manifesting. You know what I mean?
Go manifest it.
It's like it's manifesting, bro.
Manifesting what exactly?
Hold on. Wait, hold on. No, for number 4, wait, let's backtrack a bit. I want to talk about the asas. Asas.
Oh yeah.
Aspect. Okay, everyone go to page 108.
Yup.
Okay, there's 4 aspects. Aspek falsafah Pancasila. Dasar negara Indonesia adalah Pancasila yang dijadikan sebagai falsafah hidup dalam berbahasa
What page?
negara.
Almost done the
108,
picture.
108. We have aspek falsafah Pancasila, aspek sejarah, aspek geografis, dan aspek geopolitik dan kepentingan sosial. Honestly, I don't even know what falsafah Pancasila means. Gusti, can you help?
Philosophy.
Falsafah
Say again?
Pancasila. I don't aspek
Philosophy.
falsafah Pancasila.
So how falsify this?
So it's like the philosophy of Pancasila.
That's what I said.
No. Yeah.
So it's like how we
I guess like
how we like value Pancasila and how we use it from our day-to-day lives.
no. Like what Pancasila could be in our daily lives.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Aspek sejarah, sejarah bangsa Indonesia menjadi negara kesatuan melalui proses yang panjang.
I guess that's more of what I was thinking.
Okay, aspek geografis, sejarah. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory.
Ah.
Aspek geografis, Negara Indonesia memiliki wilayah yang luas yang terletak di antara benua Asia dan Australia serta Samudra Hindia dan Pasifik. Okay, I'm sure y'all know that.
Sure.
Benua Asia,
No, what?
Australia. I'm sure y'all know that Indonesia lies between Asia and Australia, right?
Yeah.
And Samudra Hindia and
No.
Pasifik. Okay, number
Nega.
4, aspek geopolitik. Letak geografisnya untuk mencapai kepentingan sosial.
Which is the ini lagi bahas di buku kan?
Yeah.
Wait, can someone send the picture?
Alright, hold on.
Didn't you like send us pictures?
Didn't you?
What?
Alright.
The
Bahas
pictures
lagi
about
bahas.
the assessment.
Belum.
The assessment with the answers.
Okay.
Didn't you send that one?
Yeah, ask us one second. Okay, everyone go back to page 128. Okay, for number 4.
We're on a different page. My bad, gang. My bad.
You good.
My bad, gang.
For page
Yeah,
104.
Where we at now?
Number 4. Lahirnya organisasi Budi Utomo yang merupakan organisasi kepemudaan yang bertujuan mencerdaskan kehidupan bangsa agar tidak mudah diadu domba dan oleh penjajah merupakan aspek wawasan Nusantara dalam bidang sejarah. I'm pretty sure I remember this because my class talked about this before. Asas wawasan Nusantara yang menyatakan dalam mewujudkan tujuan nasional harus melibatkan pengertian antar individu maupun kelompok agar terwujud sinergi yang baik merupakan asas. Resha, can you answer this one?
What did you say?
Number 5, nigga, pay attention.
Oh yeah, hold on. No 5.
No, don't look at Aska's one, look at your book.
I don't have my book. Hold on.
Wawasan Nusantara menyatakan dalam
Wait. Patience, boy.
Aska's already has his answer.
What page?
harus
128.
melibatkan pengertian antar individu maupun kelompok agar terwujud
What page?
sinergi yang
128.
merupakan asas.
What's
Sama.
us?
Remember, there's 6 asas.
Umemo bemosas.
Right, number 5 is asas kerjasama.
You're right. Okay, this likely will come up again. Asas kerjasama is working together despite differences. I thought this was like E, honestly. I thought this was E or C, but apparently it's
Gusti.
D.
I'm listening.
It was. Alright.
Alright,
Aska,
that's
what I said
example.
before. Suatu usaha atau kegiatan yang berasal dari dalam maupun luar negeri yang dapat membahayakan kedaulatan negara, keutuhan negara, dan kedaulatan negara disebut ancaman.
Henchman.
Ancaman.
Ya.
Looking for
That's
an
a lot.
henchman. Down to the
Henchman.
city. Looking for a henchman. Ah. Number 7. Ancaman terhadap NKRI merupakan sesuatu yang membahayakan persatuan dan kesatuan. Salah satunya ancaman terhadap NKRI yang spionase. Angga, what is spionase?
Martana.
You should know this, Angga. Number 7.
War Thunder Force.
It's like the guy from Team Fortress, Angga.
Come on, you got a lot of leaks.
It's
You know, a lot of leaks we get from Watanda. You should know this one.
there's no spion. There's no fucking whatever it is in Warframe. No.
This spionase just
Spiona.
means spying, bro.
Spionage.
That's it.
Yeah,
Spionage.
Yes.
spionase it's spying.
Basically
So,
spying.
like intel.
Yeah,
Someone ask me some question.
Oke, I'll ask you.
This-
Tidak akan mematai-matai untuk mengetahui rahasia dari satu negara. Oke. Ancaman terhadap NKRI bisa berasal dari dalam dan luar negeri yang bisa membahayakan kedaulatan negara. Berikut ini ancaman yang berasal dari dalam negeri adalah Aska, what do you think in here?
Separatisme. Tadi ada
Ancaman.
di buku sih.
Why do
Is
you
it right?
think why is this the answer?
Tadi soalnya gue because
Why?
you can't
Why?
separate something from outside the country. That's logically how I think.
Yeah, like just think for example again, OPM, bro. OPM is trying to do this,
Ya
bro.
makanya,
OPM.
is it right?
Yeah, you're
Terus
right.
soalnya di next slide-nya belum gue lihat.
Alright. Number
Yeah.
7.
Oh shit, alright.
Salah satu tantangan bangsa Indonesia yang berasal dari luar negeri. Angga,
Salah satu tantangan bangsa Indonesia yang berasal dari luar negeri.
Aham.
Spionase.
you're right, spy nation. So radicalism is like
Spy nation.
gangs. Separatism
Gangs.
is OPM, kesenjangan
Gangs.
sosial is like economy bullshit. Keanekaragaman bangsa is differences.
We got to
Okay.
celebrate
Wait.
our
Kesenjangan sosial itu
differences.
lebih ke fokusnya mencondong ke ekonomi ya.
Yeah, I think it is right. Gusti, elaborate Gusti.
It could be economy, it could be politics, but mostly economy. Most.
Ah, ya, oke oke.
Ancaman sosial budaya terhadap bangsa Indonesia akibat globalisasi memberikan dampak negatif bagi kehidupan sosial budaya di Indonesia, yaitu honestly I'm not sure of this answer. I haven't answered this in my book yet.
Which one is it again?
Number 10.
Dampak negatif bagi kehidupan sosial Indonesia.
I was thinking C, or I was thinking either C or D, but I'm not sure if I'm not sure.
I would say B.
Persaingan bebas. We are not a liberal country, so I don't think that we're gonna pick C. Solidaritas masyarakat. Globalism doesn't reduce solidarity, so that's D. That's not D.
Maybe it's C. Then.
Kekuatan politik
I would pick C anyway.
I'm not sure for this answer.
I would say. Oh God.
Yeah,
Globalization.
I was thinking
So
C. or D?
social budaya. It cannot be A because A is talking about economics.
Yeah, it's not A or B.
E, we doesn't talk about politics
Yeah, that's what.
or anything. It's not.
It's C or D.
Nation.
It's either C or D.
C social persaingan bebas. Why is globalism cannot be tied to persaingan bebas? At least in our case, I don't think so. Like what type of persaingan bebas can we get?
What do you define by persaingan bebas?
Persaingan bebas.
So I'd say it's D because like that's the most logical answer of social budaya.
Yeah,
Decrease.
D, right? D.
Yeah, we don't look at the globalisasi part. We look at the social budaya part, and the
Persaingan
option that
bebas.
screams social budaya is D.
Gusti, I'm a
And
bit
only
confused.
D.
I'm a bit confused. What is kesenjangan sosial to you, bro? Because I'm not sure myself, bro.
I mean, like
Persaingan bebas
where
kondisi
we
ekonomi.
as a society have significant have a surplus of things. Either
Surplus of
that
things.
money,
Yeah.
either
Yeah,
maybe like
kesenjangan sosial is like not balanced.
an
Unbalanced.
imbalance or
Yeah, an
something.
imbalance. I think it okay, yeah. I think it's D. It's either D or C, but it's definitely D though. It was social, but everything else is about politics or economy. Alright, number 11. Upaya menghadapi ancaman terhadap NKRI dalam bidang sosial budaya, di antaranya Aska, what do you have for this one?
Number 11, Aska. Aska?
B.
Dude is dead as hell.
Yeah, I was thinking B or D. Hold on. What did
Okay.
Let me
Aska
see,
have
number
in there?
11. Number 11.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me check.
I was thinking B or D.
Social budaya.
Yeah, B or it's gotta be B.
No, I think it's
I think it's B.
I think it's D.
I would
think
say
it's D.
B as well.
B.
Alright, see, Aska is on D. I'd say B.
There.
Gus, do you think it's B? Gus?
I'm saying B. Sir.
I'm saying
What
bravo.
Gusti says is correct. What Gusti says, yeah, I'm correct. So okay.
I'm saying bravo.
Membumikan dalam Pancasila sebagai ideologi bangsa.
Wait.
Is that sosial budaya, bro?
This
Hello?
doesn't. No.
Let me
I
check.
retract.
Wait,
I
let me
retract.
check.
It's D, bro. I think
It-
it's D, man.
Oh,
This
it's
doesn't.
YOLO. Oh,
this
never
doesn't
mind.
talk
You're right.
to-
You're right. You're right. You're
Yeah,
right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
The answer bravo doesn't like talk about
Yeah,
I will-
sosial budaya.
will affect
The
the
answer,
society
bravo.
All right.
or
Number
people in at large. So it's gotta be delta.
wait. Number 12.
What are you saying?
NKRI tidak menggantungkan diri pada IMF, World Bank, WTO merupakan strategi menghadapi ancaman dalam bidang. Okay, this is obvious. It's economy, bro. It's World Bank, World Trading
What is
Organization.
WTO?
World Trading
World
Organization.
World
Trade
Trading
Center.
Order.
Ancaman terjadinya konflik di Papua.
What happened to the
Gusti,
World Trade
Papua
Center?
dengan memberikan otonomi khusus
Rwanda.
yang bertujuan untuk
What are you
menghindari
What are you reading?
We're still on 12.
What are
bro.
you reading?
This nigga skipped ahead, bro.
Calm down, bro.
I'm skipping.
Calm down,
This is
bro.
Diavolo, bro.
Oh, we on 12.
Okay. Number 13.
Ya Paulo.
Okay.
Kebijakan yang diberikan
number
oleh
13 now.
pemerintah untuk menghindari ancaman terjadinya konflik di Papua dengan memberikan otonomi
Papua ini.
khusus yang bertujuan untuk menghindari. Wait, otonomi khusus means like rights to your own place, right? Okay, otonomi
Yeah.
khusus.
Yeah.
Like Aceh.
You're right.
Iya, otonomi khusus yang bertujuan untuk menghindari
Exactly like Aceh.
untuk menghindari ancaman terjadinya konflik di Papua. So it's disintegrasi bangsa.
Why are they disintegrating?
No, it's like a
Because
like
they're,
the fall of our nation, bro.
The fall of our nation.
they're gonna pecah belah
Yeah.
from our
That's why.
main country.
That's why we gave him otonomi khusus.
Suatu hari dia membutuhkan tambahan.
Oke, Dian memiliki usaha toko roti. Setiap harinya mendapatkan keuntungan karena ramai dikunjungi oleh pelanggan. Suatu hari, Dian membutuhkan tambahan tenaga kerja di dapur, sehingga Dian mengajak Tiani untuk bekerja di toko rotinya. Berdasarkan ilustrasi upaya Dian tersebut merupakan solusi untuk menghadapi ancaman di bidang
Konontol.
it's
Lucu
economy.
loh.
Wait, is it economy?
Social? No.
No, not
It's,
so.
tenaga kerja. Ngajak Yani.
Is it
Misalnya buka
it not
usaha
social?
sama
Is it not
toko tuh.
social? Is that the social or economy?
What economy? What defines economy? What defines social?
Udah masuk usaha sih. Kalau
Bekerja di
udah
toko
masuk
rotinya.
usaha paling
Yeah,
ekonomi.
it could be economy. Gusti, what are you thinking?
Humble smart nigga.
Tenaga kerja. What does tenaga kerja
Eh,
enter?
It's either social or economy, man.
dengan-
Economy.
There's no
Yeah,
involvement of money
like
though. There's no involvement of money.
what's the reason Dian asked Yani to collaborate with them,
Need
like to
tam-
work
tamba-
with them?
To help
tambahan
out
He
on the
needed
economy,
more employees.
business, you know? That's business. He needs to help on that business. It's a
Economy.
big
So
Economy.
it's gonna
problem.
be
Economy.
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 Are we sure?
Yes.
Alright.
Smart nigga here.
Exactly,
Are you
bro.
sure?
Alright. Cara efektif untuk menangkal ancaman terhadap NKRI di bidang militer yang berasal dari luar adalah okay, all these answers are ridiculous. So the only answer I could see is C. Everything else is just ridiculous, bro.
Membuat sungai yang besar.
Bro,
Oke,
Anjir.
bro.
Orang
Oke,
ide
bro.
anjing.
memasang dinding
Memberikan
tinggi.
kawat berduri.
Memasang
Ide anjing.
dinding tinggi.
Ide perbatasan Meksiko bangsat.
Bro, are they gonna cower in fear when they see the wall, bro?
Memasang
Kawat
dinding
berduri.
tinggi di wilayah perbatasan. Donald Trump.
Attack on Titan.
Donald
bro.
Trump.
Attack on Titan, bro.
Cut communications.
Okay, but we all know it's
Barbed
gotta be.
wires on a fence.
We all know it's gotta be C.
Oke, number 16. UUD 1945 telah mengatur upaya pertahanan dan keamanan negara untuk mengatasi ancaman, tantangan, hambatan, dan gangguan yang terdapat dalam pasal 30. I already googled this, it's 30. Just remember that.
Alright.
Sistem pertahanan dan keamanan negara Indonesia diselenggarakan dalam sistem pertahanan keamanan rakyat semesta, artinya pertahanan dan keamanan negara dilakukan dalam bidang militer dan non-militer. Yeah, you guys should know this. Actually, I already told you this, but dalam sistem pertahanan keamanan, the strongest power is given to TNI and Polri, and rakyat is second. Just remember that. That's for number 18. So dalam sistem pertahanan dan keamanan rakyat semesta di Indonesia, kekuatan utama ditempati oleh TNI dan Polri. At least this is from Google. TNI dan Polri is the kekuatan utama, and rakyat is second. Okay, cermati.
Wait, shit.
Well,
What was 17?
17, pertahanan dan keamanan negara dilakukan dalam bidang militer dan non-militer SI.
Wait. 18 tuh itu TNI sama TNI sama polisi tuh kayak in the same place or TNI yang di atas duluan?
No. They're in the same place. They're the highest power.
Equal.
And then rakyat is
Kok
second.
kayak why don't they answer like why doesn't it just
What?
What?
Kenapa?
What?
jawabannya
Why don't they just-
kenapa jawabannya?
Kenapa apa?
Kenapa jawabannya kayak TNI? Why doesn't it just TNI and Polri?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Kekuatan
Mana ada yang
utama
TNI dan Polri itu ada?
Yang mana 18.
C, bos,
Iya.
C, C.
C.
ini sih.
Yes, sih. Apa cuma TNI?
No,
What?
it's C. Nigga, I just told you the reason why it's C, bro.
Calm down. We got
Gue tadi nggak denger, sumpah. Gue
we
tadi
got
nggak
we
denger.
got we got 12 minutes.
Did I not tell you this 3 times, my nigga? Okay, whatever. Moving on.
We got 12 minutes. Calm down.
Well, we only got
We got-
12 minutes left. Okay, we gotta hurry up. Okay. Cermati pertanyaan berikut ini. Melakukan patroli terhadap. Okay. I'm gonna just show you. This pretty obvious. It's nalar. It's 1, 2, 3. This is tugas polisi melakukan patroli, menjaga ketertiban dan berpartisipasi dalam pembinaan hukum nasional. Oh, here. Number 20 goes into it further. Tugas kepolisian Republik Indonesia dalam proses pertahanan dan keamanan Indonesia yaitu melindungi, mengayomi, melayani masyarakat dan menegakkan hukum, which is like 1, 2, 3 from the question earlier. This is from pasal 30 ayat 4. I googled this. Alright.
What?
Okay. 30 ayat 4. Just remember that. Kepolisian and what they do is ayat 30 ayat 4. Remember that. Okay, for
30 ayat
Urayan, Gusti, can you take the lead, bro? I'm a bit tired now.
Okay, Ryan.
Urayan.
Number 1. Wawasan Nusantara hakikatnya adalah cara memandang dan sikap bangsa Indonesia mengenai negara kesatuan Indonesia berdasarkan Pancasila dan Undang-Undang Dasar 1945 dengan menjunjung tinggi persatuan dan kesatuan. Jelaskan pentingnya mempelajari wawasan Nusantara bagi warga konteks NKRI.
Hold on. I actually
So-
chat GPT this actually. Hold on. Again,
I would
just
say-
for questions. Okay, go Gusti, go ahead.
Hold on. We were asked to write this down by Rob. I'm finding it right now.
Honestly, for these types of questions, I just give the most generic, but like you can't find the answer. It's like pentingnya mempelajari wawasan Nusantara adalah agar warga negara memiliki rasa cinta tanah air, menjaga persatuan
No.
dan kesatuan, dan
I
memahami
would use the pengertian actually as the answer.
wawasan Nusantara.
Ya, wawasan Nusantara is like cara pandang bangsa Indonesia mengenai dirinya.
Hmm.
Mengenai dirinya dengan seluruh ruang lingkupnya yang itu Indonesia. So what I would say is like agar warga Indonesia bisa melihat bisa memiliki cara pandang untuk melihat dirinya melalui aspek-aspek yang ada di Indonesia gitu. I would say that.
Cara pandang dari aspek. Okay, for sure.
I'm using the pengertian to as like a reason. Okay.
But the question asks,
Berarti-
the question asks why it's important.
Yeah, I use the pengertian which
Yeah, for sure. You can just add yapping onto that, like I said before.
yeah.
Okay.
The meat of the answer is the pengertian.
For sure. Add the pengertian and then just
The like
bullshit the rest.
yeah the rest is just the bridge.
Yep.
It's fine.
Tuliskan dan jelaskan bentuk ancaman militer yang dinilai dapat membahayakan kedaulatan dan keutuhan NKRI. Oke. Bentuk ancaman militer bisa berupa agresi dari negara lain. Militer dinilai dapat membahayakan kedaulatan. Can we like mention Belanda? I don't think so, right? Not Belanda. But like
No, not pre kemerdekaan.
yeah.
It's gonna be
Pemberontakan PKI.
you could say pemberontakan PKI, you could say the pengoboman in Sarinah, you could say
Pemberontakan
the
PKI.
separatisme in Aceh.
Separatisme. Wait, what is that? Separatisme.
Gam.
Okay.
Gerakan Aceh Merdeka.
You could say like the most recent one I will tell you like the extremist group when the Pope Francis like appeared in like landed in
yeah.
Indonesia.
How did that go down again?
There's nothing much. The police just just arrested the extremists.
Yeah, but
There's no real shit.
just say pemberontakan PKI probably.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's the name of the new extremist name. I don't know if that could be used as an answer as well.
No,
And that's on the
PKI can
I mean,
definitely be used.
it's on the news. I'm not talking about PKI, but yeah, PKI is an answer. It's a good enough answer.
I guess that would be PKI would be considered agresi or invasi. Agresi, I think agresi.
Oh no, yeah, no. Sabotage.
I think no, it can be multiple. It can be like 4. It can be 5.
Yeah,
It can be
it depends
agresi,
on what
invasi.
you say.
Yeah, you can put multiple actually. Okay. Number number 3, tuliskan
Jack
dan
of all
jelaskan
trades.
bentuk tantangan terhadap NKRI yang berasal dari dalam negeri dari luar negeri. Okay, untuk dalam negeri, I'm just use the Papua for example, and dari luar
No,
negeri,
no, that's ancaman.
wah, hold on, tantangan terhadap NKRI.
The Papua thing is ancaman. No, yeah, the Papua.
No,
Tantangan
it
is
works. It
more
works.
like
It works. It works. You can use that.
You sure?
Yeah, you can. You can. It was here as well. Hold on. It was in ancaman. Hold on. Tantangan.
I guess yeah. I guess you
It's
could say
separatisme.
separatism is
It's
tantangan.
separatisme. You can use it. It's fine. You can use that.
Radikalisme. No, I'm sorry.
What about dari luar negeri?
Dari luar negeri, you could say
We didn't have any.
radical ideology, ideologi radikal.
I think we didn't have any major ones habis
Westernisasi.
merdeka, right? We didn't have any major.
Westernization, you could say.
Globalisasi.
Tantangan.
Yeah, globalisasi probably.
Westernization, I guess.
Yeah.
Would be more
Pembaratan.
appropriate. Westernisasi.
Yeah, westernisasi. You can use westernisasi for dari luar negeri. Okay.
Number 4. Jelaskan peran kalian sebagai peserta didik untuk menghadapi ancaman dalam bidang sosial budaya yang
just yap, bro.
diakibatkan oleh
Yap some
arus
bullshit.
globalisasi. That is the most yappable shit
Yeah,
you
just
could
yap
ever.
some bullshit for that one. Number 5.
Sistem pertahanan dan keamanan Indonesia diselenggarakan dalam sistem pertahanan keamanan rakyat semesta yang memadukan antara TNI, Polri, dan rakyat. Jelaskan peran rakyat dalam menjaga pertahanan dan keamanan NKRI sesuai pasal 30 ayat 2 Undang-Undang Dasar.
Yeah, pasal 30 ayat 2. Let me search that up. Pasal 30 ayat 2.
Which one is it?
Pasal 30 UUD. You got the booklet, El.
Yeah.
I gave back your book.
I'm gonna just Google it, bro. Usaha pertahanan dan keamanan negara dilaksanakan melalui sistem pertahanan dan keamanan.
My books at school, bro.
Yeah. This is what I said before, bro.
No,
Tentara TNI and kepolisian is kekuatan agama
Wait, what?
dan rakyat sebagai kekuatan pendukung. That's what I said before, bro.
Utama.
Utama.
Atau you said agama ya?
No,
Agama.
Utama is TNI and Polri, and second is rakyat. Just remember that. That's what I say, bro. It's chill.
Chill.
Uh,
We got 6.
Benar. Sistem pertahanan. Jelaskan peran rakyat.
Oh yeah, we got 6. Wait, how about HOTS? Fuck the HOTS.
Okay, no, dijelaskan peran rakyat dalam menjaga pertahanan dan keamanan. We could say rakyat berperan aktif dalam menjaga keamanan lingkungan.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
It's just the rakyat.
Make rakyat do the non-military.
Yeah,
Non-militer.
ancaman non-militer, tantangan, hambatan, gangguan.
Ancaman, tantangan. No, just ancam.
Solusi bidang non-militer.
Oof.
For this answer, jelasin. Kayak rakyat memiliki peran penting sebagai kekuatan pendukung. Who the fuck is? Okay.
Urusan seksak.
Honestly, I think there's not like that much to answer here. Just do the basics. Ikut dalam bela negara, menjaga keamanan lingkungan, menumbuhkan rasa cinta tanah air.
Yes.
Honestly, just the basic stuff you can think of. Honestly, man.
Tadi what? Bela negara ikut ya.
Bela negara, menjaga keamanan lingkungan, menumbuhkan rasa cinta tanah air. Yeah, just be a good citizen, basically, bro. Peran rakyat. There's not much to answer here, honestly. Okay, since we're done with this, everybody move to page 114.
114.
114. This is gonna be in the essay.
Oh shit. Oh,
I
we already did this.
already
Gus.
did the, I already did this with my class.
We already did this. You're fine.
Okay, let's just go over. No, let's not read the entire thing, but let's just go over what we have to do here. Bidang ancaman. So we're gonna read a text, and we just have to identify what type of ancaman it is, why it happened,
Yes.
and the dampak.
Yes.
Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Uh,
Ini robot.
I think we have one more thing to do. Pilihan ganda hal 132. Last one.
132.
132.
What the
Last
fuck
one.
lah?
Last
Itu
one. Last one.
masuk. Wait, what?
On 132.
132. It's only 5 questions. Only 5 questions.
I see that.
Oh, let me take a picture for Aska. Hold on.
Thank you, bro.
Kasus pelanggaran Z di Laut Natuna oleh Cina dapat mengancam kedaulatan NKRI. Kasus pelanggaran Z termasuk ancaman dalam bidang
Wait, what
militer,
is Z? But can I get the backstory for this?
Z.
What is the backstory? Kasus pelanggaran Z di Laut Natuna oleh Cina dapat mengancam kedaulatan KRI.
Zona ekonomi eksklusif. Saya ke shipping
Oh,
route.
like
Shipping
how much away from the beach are still
12
yeah.
kilometer.
Yeah,
Land.
okay. It's like geopolitic.
So,
that's-
free area.
Like how much of that land is ours? Not land, but like ocean is ours, right?
Yeah.
Da-
Yeah, you got it.
Termasuk ancaman dalam bidang uh is this politics or is it economy? Wait, is not money. Let me chat GPT this shit.
Go ahead.
Faktor pelanggaran Z di Laut Natuna.
Photo library. I think for my predictions, I think it's either politic or economy.
What's the prediction, Chad?
Okay, let's predict number 1 and 2 first and see if we're wrong. Number
Poli-
1, I think I'm gonna put my best on economy actually. No, I'm going for politics. It's geopolitics. I think it's geopolitics at least.
It's
Number 2 D.
number 1.
I
It's
think number 1 is
Politics.
politics.
it could be either politics or economy.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But
It's one of the two.
it's land.
That's
So
all I
it's geopolitics. It's geopolitics. Faktor yang
But there's no
menyebabkan pelanggaran.
geopolitics. There's just politics
Yeah,
in general.
True.
So I think the best choice is to go with C. To go with to go with economy.
Oke, faktor yang menyebabkan pelanggaran Z di Laut Natuna adalah
Zona ekonomi eksklusif. Zona yang luasnya 200
I
mil
don't know the
laut
backstory, so we
dari
can't
garis
really know
dasar
number
pantai.
2 unless we know the
yang
backstory.
mana dalam zona tersebut sebuah negara pantai mempunyai hak atas kekayaan alam di dalamnya dan berhak menggunakan kebijakan hukumnya, kebebasan bernavigasi, terbang di atasnya, ataupun melakukan penanaman kabel dan pipa. Konsep dari Z muncul dari kebutuhan yang mendesak.
Z is just like how much far away from
Yeah,
the nearest
how much
land
of the
is
ocean
still
is ours?
yours.
How much of the ocean is ours, right?
Yeah, and it's based on like the nearest land that you own.
Bro, ChatGPT said it's military, bro.
I mean, they
You could say it's military
Wait, no.
because of Taiwan. You could say it's military.
ChatGPT, wait.
they use
Oh,
they use
oh,
warships.
Oh,
Nama?
it's militer, politik, and economy. It's pilihan ganda complex, where it's more than one answer.
Oh yeah, we forgot that
Oh
shit.
shit!
Oh my God, bro. Okay.
Oh shit.
Militer, politik, economy.
Ah,
Okay.
shit.
Militer, politik, economy.
Those three, fuck those three.
Okay, for number 2, we don't have the backstory for this, so
What's number 2 again?
number 2, the answer is CDE. CDE.
Membuka jalur
It's
pendamping.
impossible
that's-
to know unless we know the backstory. So
Ah,
hopefully
yeah, we didn't read.
Yeah.
Didn't read like that shit. That shit long as fuck.
no,
Anyway,
that's a
actually-
whole different thing, bro.
That's not a different thing.
That's the
Sure about
page
it?
before it is different, bro. There's no backstory in this one. We just have to
What
know it. I know it's some bullshit, bro. Okay.
That's the most bullshit.
Let's
Bullshit
let's look at the image on
You
the
gotta use common sense, bro.
That's the most bullshit. Bullshit you could ever bullshit.
Okay, at least we know what Z is now. Okay. Okay, let's look at the image. 80 85%
85.
milenial rentan terpapar radikalisme. Wait, rentan terpapar? That means like is exposed, right?
Yes,
Is exposed to
You're right.
radicalism.
you're right on that.
Generasi milenial rentan terpapar paham radikal. Oke. Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Terorisme. Potensi radikalisme yang lebih tinggi di kalangan perempuan. What does this matter? Oke. Potensi radikalisme di kalangan kaum urban yang lebih tinggi daripada kalangan rural. Secara umum potensi radikalisme tahun ini turun dari tahun sebelumnya. Oke, I don't understand what is this important. Oke, let's go. Number 3. Dari infografis di samping radikalisme merupakan salah satu bentuk ancaman dalam bidang politics.
Okay, one is politics.
Oke, politics.
Rentan terhadap ideology, you could say.
Entan. It's so. I think social is part of it.
So,
Okay, I'm gonna say social, politics, and budaya. And I'm gonna chat GPT it. Hold on.
I don't think.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be social politic ideology. We could go with ChatGPT. I'm fine with that. But
Yeah.
I think it's
It could be
social
ideology.
politic ideology.
We don't have any like proof that it's like ideology though. It can be some like bullshit like gang fights or some shit, bro.
Seriously, radicalism is not ideology to you.
Okay, no, you're right. It's social politic ideology. Okay. That's what ChatGPT is at least. Sociological ideology. Okay. Number 4. Dampak yang disebabkan oleh aksi radikalisme bagi NKRI adalah menimbulkan disintegrasi bangsa, menimbulkan konflik antar masyarakat. Isn't this all of this, bro? No.
And what? Really?
I feel like it's all of it, bro. Except B.
Acak getrot.
Yeah, I could say like all but B. I'd say all but B.
I mean, it could even affect B, honestly.
No,
How the fuck am I
no,
gonna-
that's just too broad. Too
Mm.
broad.
I think everything but B. Okay, A, C, D, E. Let me ask ChatGPT.
Ini bahas yang mana?
Nomor 4. Wait, have I not sent it? I already sent it, right?
Ya. Wait, what?
What's number 3?
Number 3
the
is sosial politik ideologi.
Ah,
And why is that?
Okay. Halo. Tidak hanya di Indonesia tapi seluruh dunia. Komjen Polboy Rafli. Okay. ChatGPT said it's everything, bro.
Oh shit.
Shit.
Dari pergaulan, that shit's too broad.
No, I mean for number 4.
Wait, number 4.
For number 4, it says everything. Honestly, it could be economy, but I doubt that it's gonna be all of it, honestly. So I'm just gonna do A, C, D, E.
You could say
Yeah, I'm just say A, C, D, E.
sistem kenegaraan. That's
It definitely could, bro. Depending on how radical it is, bro.
does our belief affects how the country is run?
Possibly. Possible.
Possibly, bro.
Has there been any implementation of that
You can
in our
say
Iran?
yeah, like how Islamic our country is, bro.
Keluarkan gereja.
Have you seen the past,
Bro,
I don't know,
bro, P30,
500
bro.
years?
Bro, PKI, bro. That's like probably the biggest one, bro. PKI is radicalism, right?
Yeah.
on our eyes it's radical.
It's rad. So rad, bro. Fuck yeah.
So yeah, I guess everything would be on number 4.
Everything but me on number 4. All right.
And
Number 4.
same as 5?
Okay, guys. Last question and we take a break. Okay.
I'm thinking 5.
Upaya untuk
Upaya
menghindari
untuk
aksi
menghindari
radikalisme.
aksi yang dapat mengancam NKRI adalah A. Maybe A. It's a bit too much.
Wait, what does mengucilkan mean?
Exile.
Exile. Damn.
Yeah, that is it.
Like exile,
Exact.
like straight up executing, right? Or like getting out of the country,
No.
kicked out of the country.
No,
Yeah, kick,
yeah,
deportation, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
What they did to us back in like pre-kemerdekaan type shit.
I think definitely C.
3 is yes. C is definitely yes.
I don't think it's B. You can't just do that. Menamakan
No,
menjadi-
like I said, B is too broad.
Yeah, B is too broad. D, like, what is the right ideology, bro? What? I don't think it's
Nah,
D.
I don't think there's a right idea.
There's no. That's
Hey, if we're being extreme, the answer could be ACE. If we're being extreme, ACE.
yeah. That's D is too
Nice.
fixated like on something. I don't
Yeah.
think D is correct. Like not necessarily correct. Like I don't think D is
Hmm.
applicable.
Yeah, yeah. I think E works as well. You
E
just
is fine.
we can use the
E
death
is-
sentence on everybody.
E E is fine. I think E there's loss.
I think it could be ace. Wait, no, wait, no. I don't think
Ace.
I don't think we can use.
We have choices here. Hold on,
I
we
think-
have
I think it's
violence.
eight.
We have
I think it's eight.
violence or violence.
Hold on. Mengucilkan. Yeah. Wait, mengucilkan that might be going too far though. Shit, are we allowed to? Is that menghukum pelaku radikal seberat-beratnya? We can't just do that because
Mengucilkan
we have
pelaku
to-
radikal, they could just get like exiled to like within the country, but somewhere like I don't know, remote.
we put them in Pamulang, bro.
I don't think
What did
Pamulang
you
is remote,
say?
bro.
Fuck, I don't know the answer for this, man. I just know it's C and possibly E, but I don't know. E might be like melanggar HAM. You never know, bro.
Yeah. E
But-
might.
Menghukum maksudnya
Because
menghukum
we
kayak
still
gimana?
we have to like we have to respect the law, bro. We can't just punish people just cause, bro. You know?
Just cause we.
I think only C, bro. Man, I don't know, dude.
Bisa aja. I mean, you don't have to kick them out the country.
Okay, I'm gonna
Just
say A and
pick
C,
them-
bro. I'm gonna say
pick them
A
up
and
the
C.
town.
I'm gonna say A and C, dude.
AC?
Yo.
ACDC?
Yeah, I'm gonna say AC. What do you think, Bus?
Plus,
Are we if we are being like very scrutinized, I could say A and C.
What did he say?
Scrutinized, bro.
What is this, man?
It's really befuddling, bamboozling.
It's like phase adapt. It's very feasible.
Like if we being really
Like
strict to
if you
ourselves,
being
if we
very real.
are really strict to ourselves, it's A and C.
Yeah.
But I could see ACE
Yeah,
being an
it could be E, but E might not
I
be
could-
legal. You know?
It's quintessential, bro.
ACE might be
do you want to include violence or no?
yeah that's a way to view it.
It's
You
AC or ACE. That's it. All right. Oh my God, I think we're done with everything, bro.
Or ACE.
I think we've gone through everything for PPKN and Agama as well.
We done. We
Oh,
done.
goodness.
We
Are we
done.
done?
Sekarang Roblox party.
Okay, guys, give
Chicken jockey!
give an outro to the
Chicken
YouTube,
meal.
guys. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Nobody's gonna watch this shit, but thank you so much for watching. Gusti, say goodbye to the camera. Okay, bro.
Bye everyone.
Okay.
And I'll see you next time.
All right. Bye bye.